including you, Faisal Saab and Salman
Lord,
Saab.
I thank you for smiling.
Sometimes we get a bit
for smiling
irritated.
so much today because I wasn't arguing.
I think you owe him a cup of tea.
नहीं
because
मुझे
he was
तो अब
getting
आज
that.
डिस्कवर किया कि सिकंदर इज अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ PMLN क्योंकि ने कहा वोट को इज्जत दो तो वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर दैट.
Whose fan are you? वो भी डिस्क्लोज कर दें. Whose fan are you? अगर आप ये उन पे डिग लिया है तो अब आप अपना डिस्क्लोजर.
सर घर पे बहुत डांट
नहीं नहीं अभी बताइए ना, फिर आप बताइए ना. नहीं अब आप बताइए ना, आपने उनको
सर
कह दिया.
आई एम अ फैन ऑफ योर लॉर्डशिप स्माइल.
नहीं 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 ये मुनासिब बात
सर
नहीं है.
फैसला जो करें बस हंसते रहें.
नहीं 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 मुनासिब बात ये नहीं है जो.
मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ लाइक नोट कराची से आया तो नॉट अ सेफ आंसर टू गिव एनीवे.
चले ओके जी.
Very grateful,
कुछ लिखना तो नहीं है.
Sir, we'll file some documents tomorrow if your lordships allow.
क्वार्टर ठीक है परसों.
we'll file-
परसों 11:30 बजे.
Sir, we'll file some documents tomorrow if your lordship allow.
भाई देखें कोई हमने पाबंदी नहीं लगाई है. हम ऑर्डर में नहीं लिख रहे हैं. आप कोई भी आ जाएगा. हम
Thank you.
देखेंगे.
Then, but my lord, I think my Mr. Yes, my lord. I think have I answered my lord's observation?
ये how is page 14
पे वो
reconcilable with page 20?
दो डिक्लेरेशंस हैं इनके.
एक जगह लिखा है.
Yes. So I take the last one, no, sir. That's why.
No,
That's what the
ये
RO
तो
said.
ये what is page 14 क्या चीज?
They're not reconcilable
तो
readily.
deponent ये तो oath है, statutory declaration that I am a present affiliated to the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati and a certificate from political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati showing that I'm a party candidate from the above said constituency.
Sir, ऊपर आप देखिए section 66 लिखा हुआ है.
I'm saying a person this is their document. This is nothing to do with you.
No, sir, I didn't create. This is what I'm saying.
So he is saying at one place at page 14 that he is Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati, and I'm attaching the certificate. At page 20 he is saying I am Mushtarka candidate of Sunni Itaat Council and Alliance of PTI.
ये पहले होगा उसके बाद.
At a third place he is saying.
ये सारे 13 के हैं.
At a third place he is saying that I am PTI, and there's no place he says that I'm Sunni Itaat Council.
He says Sunni Ittihad, sir. I beg your pardon. He says Sunni Ittihad in the nomination form.
Is it the job of the returning officer or of the election committee thing to try to help him and
Say no. Actually, I think you should join this political party.
If you had done that, then you would have. If you had done that, then you would be a partisan in the system.
Yes.
उन्होंने फाइल किया. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है what do I make of this paper.
यही लिखा है कि these are their voluntary
and we keeping talking about PTI. PTI is not before us.
No, it's not, my lord, and I've said this. I've said this in my next formulation. May I come to formulation 6, sir?
नहीं ये डिक्लेरेशन बाद की डेट का है. ये डिक्लेरेशन जो है ना ये पहला वाला पेज 20 पे है 22/12/2023 का है. और ये जो स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन है
एक तो सर वो नॉमिनेशन की डेट
12/1/2024 का है.
जी, जी, बिल्कुल.
लेटेस्ट डिक्लेरेशन ये है जिसमें पीटीआई
तो ओथ है. इसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होते हैं कि ओथ पे कोई चीज गलत आप फाइल.
सर देखें सर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू दैट इंटेंशनली ऑल ऑफ दैट. दे वर अलाउड टू
वो
कंटेस्ट.
कागज देने का टुकड़ा एक अलग बात है, मगर ओथ पे डिक्लेरेशन तो एक अलग बात है ना.
ओथ जो है वो नजरियाती की है. पीटीआई
ओथ जो है वो PTIN की है. The affidavit on oath.
I don't understand.
एक सादा खत है सर, एक स्टैट्यूटरी एक declaration on oath in nomination form है. There are two conflicting statements on oath. One statement of oath is I belong to SIC and I will give you the ticket for SIC in due course. The second conflicting affidavit is I am part of PTIN. It's a sworn affidavit. And ऊपर उसके आप देखें तो उसने section 66 Elections Act का जिक्र भी किया हुआ है. My lord, I'll move on to my this formulation 6. The understanding of Articles 51(6)(d), 51(6)(c) and 106(3)(c) and Section 104 of the Elections Act urged by the appellant.
Sorry.
I beg your pardon, sir.
I was not paying attention.
It's on page 15, sir, of my
15,
CMA,
ji.
sir.
Can you repeat?
Yes, sir, of course. Formulation 6. The understanding of Articles 51(6)D, 51(6)E, and 106(3)C, and Section 104 of the Elections Act, urged by the appellant, is contrary to the very text of the said articles and section. It asks the court to both read into the said articles and simultaneously fail to give effect to the section. Whereas the understanding the ECP has applied to its order of 1-3 is based on a plain and proper reading and application of the said articles.
1-3 order challenge before the Peshawar High Court. Is that the one?
जी ये इधर आ गया है जी जो आप
अच्छा दूसरा ऑर्डर का बार बार तस्करा है वो
सर वो 25 का है वो जो हाई कोर्ट का है I think my lord is asking about another order. I'll come to that. That has, in my submission, nothing to do with anything. With
I
my
didn't want to
list.
see it because I don't know.
My lord, that is filed by Mr. Salman Akram Raja, and it is also in the additional papers of civil appeal. May I come to it in a few moments?
Fine.
But it's there, and I can give my lord the
How
reference.
long will you take, Mr. Just want to ask.
My lord, once I finish these formulations, for my lord's assistance, I will just read, show one more sample.
Just tell us how long. We're not saying stop. I'm saying
Half an hour, my lord, at most. My lord, I'm actually terrible at predicting how long I take. I can be stopped. If my lord would like a break, I would be happy to have
we
one.
don't want to cut you short, but the
My lord,
judges
perhaps
also,
a little-
we are also, after all, you may consider as human.
My lord, मैं खुद से
Don't
my
answer
lord,
that.
we can easily.
Don't
My lord, I am mere mortal, and that's all.
I know
want.
you are also
I am
standing.
just mere mortal.
You're younger than us, so we can take liberty.
My lord, rapidly aging. My lord, we can take a short break, ji.
कल कहाँ पर? तो tomorrow जरा मुश्किल होगा, परसों कर लेते हैं.
ठीक है जी.
It will also give you some breathing space and others to digest all that you said.
And then I can go through the 81 forms and
But I
give
would like to
ladyship.
leave a question for
जी,
you.
जी, बिल्कुल.
कि आपके बड़े अच्छे ये 6 formulations किए हैं. But in your 6th formulation, you haven't explained anywhere, which I think is critical to your case, is the idea of proportional representation.
बिल्कुल, I'll address it when because
It's not a formulation. You don't think it's relevant? Well, how the whole article is about
know.
proportional
It
representation.
is, the whole article, ladyship, I'll be submitting is not just about
All right, it's
proportional
not just, but it's
representation.
based on that concept, and a concept which abhi tak
I will fully,
nobody has explained what
I will
does it
endeavor
mean.
to assist ladyship because and ladyship, can I just make one personal statement as counsel? I meant no disrespect. It was in anything I've said to anyone on this bench. This is a
It's the
full
passion of the
court
moment.
bench.
When did you
All
disrespect?
of you have been counsel.
I missed that if you were disrespectful.
I'm sorry, sir.
I said if you were disrespectful, I missed that.
Oh,
Now
thank
you
you,
want to
man.
remind us of that?
No, my lord, I've never said this. Strike from the record.
इंस्टेंट रिप्ले भी हो सकता है. अच्छा एक चीज आपको
My
बता
apologies,
दें, एक आपको बात बताते चलें because I had asked कि ये PTIN is a registered party and it's apparently at serial number 89 of your website.
जी.
So it's a registered party, proper registered
It's
party,
enlisted. Sir, हम लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करते हैं enlisted है.
not registered.
There is no the concept is enlistment of a party because
still is.
It is.
अच्छा उसका कौन हेड?
No idea, sir. I check.
उनका कोई है?
जरूर उनका कोई chairman तो होना चाहिए,
मेंबर
sir.
पार्लियामेंट में कोई है उनका?
No, sir. PTIN did not then, as to my knowledge, field any contesting candidates.
ये बता दें
उसके अंदर?
उनके आपकी वेबसाइट पे अख्तर इकबाल डार
पीटीआई
का
की
नाम
कोई
है.
रिजर्व लिस्ट फाइल
I'm sorry, sir. मैंने
पीटीआई की कोई रिजर्व लिस्ट फाइल हुई थी
PTI की रिजर्व लिस्ट फाइल हुई थी जो फॉर्म 66
रिकॉर्ड पे हमें दिखा दीजिएगा जब
ठीक है,
परसों
sir.
आएंगे
वो
सर,
list-
आप दे देंगे.
सर आप ऐसा करें
और वो फॉर्म 33 of all these independent candidates.
लीडरशिप जो पंजाब के सारे हैं ना वो किस पेज पे लगे हैं?
आप अलग से पेपर बुक में हमें दें their nomination and
ये सिकंदर साहब जरा प्रोपोर्शनल
I will. सर देखिए मैंने
ऊपर जरा सा
मैंने
आपको
51
assist
पढ़ना है
करना
और अपना
Presentation
उस पे
जो है।
सबमिशन देना है और 104 पढ़ना है.
104 एंड प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन
Yes, I will come to it, sir.
इनको ना देते तो क्यों नहीं देते और अगर खाली रहती
बिल्कुल
तो
I will address that.
ये इम्पोर्टेंट
I will definitely address that, my lord.
Sir, would you like to fix this? and
या मैं ऐसा करते
submit-
हैं ये बुकलेट्स
सर,
आपको वापस दे देते हैं
सर आप ये हमें दे दें
ये मैं
इसको
अपना मेरा जो इनिशियल है ये वाला मुझे ही दीजिएगा अच्छा ठीक है इसको
सर ये आप रख ले मैं आपको एक नई दूंगा
मैंने इस
I know a lot of trees are being wasted.
No,
I would
no,
be
no,
happy
don't do
to
that.
take them back.
फिक्स इट
So I've written Alexander on it, so could you get that?
Thank you, sir.
इनका
सिकंदर
Sir, these will be given
Sikandar.
and they look better before in my lordship.
सिकंदर अगर एक काम और कर
Of course, sir.
बिकॉज वी कांट स्टे इन अ बबल
जी sir.
अगर आप प्लेस ऑन रिकॉर्ड ड्यूरिंग बिफोर एंड आफ्टर द इलेक्शंस what nature of complaints you had received, particularly of level playing fields, and what probes were made, and were they made accountable or not, so that
Sir,
we
वापस दे
can
दीजिए.
view this matter
My
in
lord,
a
shall I treat that
context.
as a direction of the court and I'll file it, but I have no...
I didn't hear it
My lord, I have been asked to file all complaints received before, during and after the election by the ECP, along with a report on what actions we took on those reports.
I think that's not part of these proceedings. I mean, it's a full court. We don't want to go on endlessly.
I think
there's a list before us.
since there is a political party
My lord, I'll leave that,
which
if I may,
claims to be
for an order
under
and
the
I'll
cloud.
comply with it.
Is there any petition in this behalf in respect of those
My lord, मैं सिर्फ
complaints?
काउंसिल हूँ ECP का इस एक केस में.
चलिए हम
Very
ऑफिस से
honest.
पूछते हैं
I
अगर कोई
cannot
petition अगर कोई
answer.
petition
देखिए हम एक तरफ 184(3) को हर आदमी कहता है बहुत नाजायज इख्तियार दूसरी तरफ सॉरी मैं आई एम वेरी कंजर्वेटिव इन दिस वी हैव टू सी दिस
My lord, this is a 185(3) I'm very clear about.
yes it is
And 187 has its limits.
चलें तो we'll convene day after inshallah at 11:30
Okay, sir.
so we can start the regular work as well which is suffering
बिल्कुल sir.
ठीक है and try to be as brief and I would
Sir.
make the same request of all the others to be as brief as
I
possible
will. My lord, may I thank the bench for its patience with me?
no thank you
thank us when you
We-
are concluded.
we thank all the council who have all the
It is
council
a privilege, my lord.
including you Faisal Saab and Salman
Lord,
Saab.
I thank you for
Sometimes we get a bit
No, for smiling
irritated.
so much today because I wasn't arguing.
I'll take that as a compliment.
I think you owe him a cup of tea.
नहीं
because
मुझे
he was
तो अब
getting
आज
that.
डिस्कवर किया कि सिकंदर इज अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ PMLN क्योंकि ने कहा वोट को इज्जत दो तो वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर दैट
Whose fan are you? वो भी डिस्क्लोज कर दें Whose fan are you? अगर आप ये उन पे डिग लिया है तो अब आप अपना डिस्क्लोज
सर घर पे बहुत डांट
नहीं अभी बताइए ना फिर आप बताइए ना नहीं अब आप बताइए ना आपने उनको
सर
कह दिया
आई एम अ फैन ऑफ योर लॉर्डशिप स्माइल
नहीं ये नहीं ये मुनासिब बात
सर
नहीं है
फैसला जो करें बस हंसते रहे
नहीं मुनासिब बात ये नहीं है जो
मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ लाइक नोट कराची से आया तो नॉट अ सेफ आंसर टू गिव एनीवे
चले ओके जी
Very grateful, sir.
कुछ लिखना तो नहीं है
Sir, we'll file some documents tomorrow if your lordships allow.
क्वार्टर ठीक है परसों
Sir, we'll file-
परसों 11:30 बजे
Sir, we'll file some documents tomorrow if your lordship allow.
भाई देखें कोई हमने पाबंदी नहीं लगाई है हम
Sir.
ऑर्डर में नहीं लिख रहे हैं आप कोई भी आ जाएगा हम
Thank you,